Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Easy English Practice channel. I'm Sarah, and I'm really happy to have you with us today.
Hi, Sarah. Hello, everyone. I'm Mark. Thank you for joining us. We hope you're feeling relaxed and ready to practice English.
Mark, it's always a pleasure to practice English together. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great today. Thank you. I had a delicious breakfast, so I'm full of energy.
That sounds wonderful. A good breakfast can really start the day right. What did you have?
I had oatmeal with fresh fruits and a little honey. Simple but tasty. Sarah, how about you? How are you today?
I'm feeling cheerful and hungry, actually. I've been thinking about food all morning because of our topic today.
Oh, that's exciting. What is our topic today?
Today, we're going to talk about food, cooking, and healthy eating.
That's a fantastic topic. Everyone loves food, and it's a great way to share stories and ideas.
Exactly. It helps us practice describing tastes, habits, and opinions in English.
Very true. We can use present simple for habits, adjectives for flavors, and comparatives too. So, Sarah, let me start with a question.
Sure, go ahead.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I really do. Cooking relaxes me, and I love creating new dishes.
That's nice. Do you cook every day?
Most days, yes. I try to make fresh meals instead of eating out all the time.
I feel the same. Cooking at home is healthier and more fun. What kind of food do you like to cook the most?
I love making salads, stir-fries, and soups. They're quick and full of vegetables.
Those sound healthy. The last dish I cooked was pasta with tomato sauce and herbs from my garden.
That sounds delicious. What did you like most about it?
The fresh basil made it smell amazing. Fresh ingredients always taste better.
I agree completely. Fresh food makes a big difference. Mark, do you prefer cooking alone or with someone else?
I prefer cooking with family or friends. It's more enjoyable, and we can share ideas.
That makes sense. Cooking together can be a fun activity.
Yes, it brings people closer. Sarah, do you like trying new recipes, or do you stick to favorites?
I like both. I have some favorite recipes I make often, but I also enjoy experimenting with new ones.
Experimenting is exciting. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but that's part of the fun.
Exactly. What about you? Do you follow recipes exactly or change them?
I usually follow the recipe the first time, then I add my own touches later.
That's smart. Now let's talk about favorite foods. What's your favorite meal of the day?
Breakfast is my favorite. I love starting the day with something nutritious.
Mine is dinner. It's when I can relax and enjoy a good meal. What's one food you could eat every day?
I could eat avocados every day. They're creamy, healthy, and versatile.
Avocados are great. I love them in salads or on toast. What food do you dislike?
I'm not a big fan of very spicy food. It's too much for me sometimes.
I understand. I like a little spice, but not too hot. Now, let's move to healthy eating.
Good idea. Sarah, do you think about healthy eating when you choose your meals?
Yes, I try to. I eat a lot of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains.
That's excellent. I also focus on balance. I include proteins, veggies, and some carbs.
Balance is key. Do you drink enough water every day?
I try to drink at least 8 glasses. It helps me feel better and more energetic.
Water is so important. I keep a bottle with me all the time. What about junk food? How often do you eat it?
Not very often. Maybe once or twice a week as a treat.
Same here. It's okay in moderation. Do you think healthy eating is easy or difficult?
It can be difficult with busy schedules, but planning ahead helps.
Planning is important. Preparing meals in advance saves time. Now, let's talk about eating out. Do you like going to restaurants?
Yes, occasionally. It's nice to try different cuisines.
I agree. What's your favorite type of restaurant?
I love Italian or Asian food. The flavors are so rich.
Italian is great for pasta and pizza. Do you prefer home-cooked meals or restaurant food?
Home-cooked most of the time. It's fresher and I know what's in it.
Very true. Restaurants can be oily or too salty sometimes.
Exactly. Now let's talk about future plans with food. Do you have any goals related to eating or cooking? Yes, I want to learn how to bake bread from scratch.
That sounds fun. Fresh bread is amazing. What about you, Sarah? I want to eat more plant-based meals. I'm trying to reduce meat and add more veggies.
That's a healthy goal. Plant-based diets can be very nutritious.
I think so too. Small changes make a big difference.
Now let's help our listeners practice English. Everyone, think about this question.
Yes, what is your favorite food and why do you like it?
And how often do you cook at home?
Try to answer in simple English.
You don't need complicated sentences.
For example, my favorite food is pizza because it's cheesy and delicious. I cook at home 4 times a week.
That's perfect. Simple and clear.
You can also practice adjectives. It's tasty, spicy, healthy, sweet.
Great tip, Mark. Describing food helps build vocabulary. Sarah, do you think healthy eating habits change as we get older?
Yes, they often do. When we're young, we might eat more sweets, but later we care more about health.
I agree. Life teaches us what's good for our bodies.
Exactly. And learning English is like that too, a gradual process.
Yes, and every conversation helps.
So everyone, be patient with yourself. Practice a little every day.
Read recipes, watch cooking videos, or talk about food with friends.
And remember, mistakes are okay. They help us improve.
Before we finish, one more question.
Okay?
Sarah, if you could have any meal right now, what would it be?
Right now, a big fresh salad with grilled chicken, avocado, and a light dressing. Healthy and satisfying.
That sounds perfect. Sometimes simple and fresh is best.
Exactly. Health and taste can go together.
Well said. Now it's your turn, everyone.
Please write in the comments, what is your favorite healthy food and do you like cooking?
And share one tip for eating healthier.
Write in English. Don't worry about being perfect.
We're here to practice together.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.
Keep cooking, keep eating well, and keep smiling.
See you next time.
Have a wonderful day, everyone.
Goodbye and take care.